welcome back to my channel. So in today's edition, what am I doing? I'm going to give you my version of back to school makeup. So basically I did a poll on my Instagram where I asked if you guys want to see back to school makeup first or you want to see a quick mom makeup first. A lot of people actually said back to school. I was quite surprised actually, knowing how many like moms following me on Instagram. I was wondering, like I actually thought it's going to be like a mom makeup, but most of the people who are interested in back to school makeup first. So here we go guys, this is my version of back to school makeup. If you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching the video. And don't forget, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below and I'm happy to answer. And that's about it. So see you next time guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.
Hey my lovelies, so here we go. For back to school we are going to start with the skincare, and today I'm using a First Aid Moisturizer Primer Coconut Cream, and for eyes I'm using my Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Cream. And just to give my face a little bit more lift and more firmness, I'm just using my Jade Roller. This is one of the best skincare tools out there guys. For the primer I'm using a mixture of Ole Henriksen Banana Face Primer and also Farsali Skintune. Combo of these two primers are actually amazing. So Farsali one literally face tune your pores, and the Ole Henriksen one gives you such a nice amazing glowy kind of base to work with. So I'm actually quite liking this primer. For foundation I'm going to use Makiage foundation, and this is in shade number 105. I am absolutely loving this foundation. It has a light matte finish, but it goes on so nicely on the skin. It doesn't budge, it doesn't crease, and it doesn't oxidize either. So it just stays on like it's my own skin kind of thing. It's so beautiful. Absolutely loving this foundation. I've applied it with the brush, first layer with the brush and the second with the beauty blender. I feel like it gives you a like light to medium coverage in the first layer when you apply with the brush, but when you add it with the beauty blender it kind of gives you like a little bit more coverage. And for the contour I'm using, or bronzer, MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear concealer, and this is in shade number NC45. Even though I'm applying this as where I would like to contour my face, I really like using this product because it doesn't give you a very harsh contour. It gives you more of a warm bronzy look. So that's why I really like using this when I don't want to look really sharp, or I just don't want to look really like too heavily contour kind of thing. That's why I go for this particular shade. As you can see, it's much more in orange tone than ashy tone. It gives you a little bit warmth on your face. And I'm also going to contour my eyes. Also going to contour my eyes a little bit. So when I say contour your eyes, it basically you're applying the whatever you're using as a contour or bronzer shade on your transition and in between transition and a crease. So it gives you kind of like transition shade. And for the concealer I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Absolutely in love with this concealer. It's one of the best ones from a drugstore perspective. And I'm applying this on all the areas where I want a little bit more coverage, or I just want to conceal like dark circles and stuff like that. So to blend my bronzer or contour, I'm using a stippling brush. I feel like it when you use any kind of liquid or cream product for bronzing or contour, stippling brush actually do really good job blending, and then you can go over with your beauty blender if there's any harsh lines and all that. This is one of the really good brushes for nose contour because it's so precise and flat. It just do your job like for you. You don't have to work really too long to just perfecting that area. I like to go over with my beauty blender, especially the beauty blender I applied the foundation with, to make sure everything is looking nice and smooth and nothing is too harsh on my face. Especially when you doing a makeup like back to school makeup, it's more of a for a target audience who are just starting junior high or high school, so you don't want to do anything which gonna make them look like super heavy for a school. So I'm just keeping everything very calm. For the highlight, I'm using Wet n Wild Halo liquid highlighter. Absolutely love this product from Wet n Wild. I am so obsessed with it. I'm pretty much using this as a base for every single highlighter I'm currently using, because it gives you, even if you just apply it on its own, it just gives you such a nice highlight and very subtle as well. And then you can build it as much as you want. I always like to blend this product with the damp beauty blender, but when I say damp beauty blender, I always spray it with the makeup setting spray or any kind of facial mist, and then I just blend this product. To set my under eye areas and rest of my face, I'm using a drugstore brand which is Airspun. It's a very good translucent powder for a drugstore brand. It gives you pretty much the same kind of effect as Laura Mercier or like a Fenty Beauty, but it's not as costly as the higher end brands. I already did my brows off camera, and I use Benefit Cosmetic Goof Poof Brow Pencil to carve my brow. And for eye base, I use Hard Candy Glamflouge Concealer in shade Extra Light. You guys all know how much I love that concealer. It's one of my favorites. Now I'm just going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to set my eye base with the translucent powder first. To bronzer or to add warmth on my face, I'm using Kiko Milano Kiko Milano bronzer, and this one is really nice because it has a little purple tone in it, like a little purple powder as well, so it kind of like color correct your face for you as well while you're bronzing. And for rest of the face, I'm just going over with a little bit on a bigger brush. I'm just taking the same bronzer but going over rest of my face, so everything looks same, everything looks natural, blended. And I'm using the same bronzer on my eyes as well. I'm applying this with a very big transition brush, I will say. It kind of not only covers my transition, like on my, it doesn't only cover that transition area, it also covers the lid as well, which really nice. For blush, I'm using a L'Oreal blush, and this is in shade, I believe, Rose. I absolutely love this blush because it's not really too bright, but it's very subtle for a teenager look. Now I'm just picking up a MAC shade, and this one is, I have to confirm the shade, I think it's taupe or something, and I just applied that in between my transition and to deepen my crease. For mascara, I'm using Essence Cosmetic Mascara. This is the one for extra hold, and it's absolutely amazing mascara because it literally gives your eyelashes like you're wearing falsies. I don't know if you're gonna notice or not, but seriously, I didn't even wear the falsies for this look because I just thought like I didn't need it. For the lip liner, I've used Rimmel London's lip liner in shade Nude, and on top of that I just applied Bare Minerals lip gloss in shade Gen Nude. Again, combo of these two products were amazing. It's like a perfect nude. And that's it. To set my face, I'm going to use my Amore Pacific facial skin mist, hydration mist. Hope you guys enjoy this look. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.